Hi, my name is Rose. This video is a part of the Getting Started series of educational videos and covers the architecture of Boomerang. Boomerang is a notification framework for IT professionals that provides a rock-solid service-oriented infrastructure and a rapid development interface. The heart of Boomerang comprises a set of heavy-duty background Windows services. Each service caters to a specific kind of output and will connect to your existing IT infrastructure. These services are email, which will connect to your mail server, including Exchange Server, Gmail, Lotus Domino, or something else. Printing, faxing. Currently, Boomerang supports Microsoft Fax Server. File and FTP. Social networks. Currently, Boomerang supports Twitter. Boomerang will also connect to SQL Server reporting services, and it may be used to generate content for all of the available services. The Windows services will send messages out with or without the assistance of reporting services. Some of the services, like Twitter and email, may also receive incoming messages. Boomerang services ship with Microsoft Management Console Snap-in. You can use Snap-in to configure important service parameters like SMTP settings, default number of retries, and connection timeouts. You may also manage printers and attached fax services. The Activity node will show past usage for all or any of the available services. Activity may be monitored by hour, day, 30 days, or 365 days. The service log, also available from the Windows Event Viewer, will show important service information, warnings, and errors. The Windows server running Boomerang communication services is connected to the Boomerang database, which may be deployed on any Microsoft SQL Server 2000 or later. The Boomerang database is the interface that you as an IT professional will interact with when creating solutions. In the typical framework, building solutions is either easy but limited in flexibility, or has steep learning curve but is flexible. With Boomerang, we have opted for a database interface that provides both simplicity and flexibility. Another added benefit of a database interface is that there is no need to learn yet another tool or programming language. You may continue using the tools you're familiar with. Let's have a look at how Boomerang's database interface works. Each notification service is represented by a table in the Boomerang database. Subsequently, there is a table for outgoing email called OutEmail, outgoing fax messages, OutFax, document printing, OutPrint, file and FTP output, OutFile, and Twitter status updates, OutTwit. There are also tables for incoming messages like InEmail and InTwit. So let's have a look at the architecture of Boomerang in its entirety. The process starts by inserting records into any of the service tables. For example, if you are sending an email, you would insert subject, email address, body, etc. into OutEmail. If you are printing, you would insert a printer path and a link to the document you like to print into OutPrint. Once the job is ready to be processed, the Boomerang server takes over by pulling the database for the new messages. If the outgoing message uses content from SQL Server reporting services, this will now be added. The email is sent, the document is printed, a fax is sent, a Twitter status update posted. Incoming messages, in other words messages sent to an address linked to the Boomerang server, are automatically parsed and stored into InEmail and InTwit. All information contained in the email, like attachments, recipients, mail headers, are all saved. Another part of the architecture is the event handlers. The event handlers are stored procedures in the Boomerang database that will fire before and after certain events, like after InEmail or after OutPrint. These event handlers are a simple and straightforward way to add event-driven functionality if needed. My name is Rose. Thank you for watching this educational video from Fuel 9. For more videos, visit www.fuel9.com.